I welcome you all to the fifth week science class. And last week we were looking at some uses of metals and we got to ions. So today we'll look at the last three metals that we have and then we look at some things that are made from them. Then we continue to mixtures. So join me as we learn more. Alright, so zinc. Zinc as a metal does not easily rust. This is why it is used to coat iron sheets and iron buckets in order to protect them from rusting. So zinc is also used to make some portion of batteries. So zinc is melted, it can be melted and then it is used to coat other metals. Zinc is not hard, it's not like iron. Ions are hard. So this zinc, they are actually melted. You can melt it and then it is used to smear metals that are exposed to the atmosphere, as in the moisture. When moisture gets contact with metal for a long time, it rusts. So zinc is used to smear on such metals. When you look at the railway line, you realize that it is used from iron, or iron is used to make it. So zincs are actually used on them. You use it to smear around them so it does not easily rust. The next metal I would like us to talk about is the aluminium. So aluminium is a good conductor of heat. This is why it is used to manufacture cooking saucepans. Aluminium is also ductile. And what is ductility? We established that is the property of a metal to be able to be stretched into thin lines without breaking. And it's also a good conductor of electricity. This is why it is used to manufacture electrical cables. Aluminium is used to manufacture other items such as aircraft, trains, cars, and roofing sheets because it does not easily rust. So aluminiums are not heavy, they are not very hard. So that is why it is used to make the body of cars and aeroplanes. Aeroplanes have to fly, and when you use a hard metal in manufacturing them, it will be very difficult for them to stay up there. So aluminium is one good metal that is used to manufacture these items. Good. So the final one I would like to talk about is silver. Silver is a precious metal. Yeah, when you go for Olympics games or the World Cup, yes, you'll be awarded a medal, and one of such medals is a silver. Silver. I think when you come the second position, the first position you'll get a gold, the second you'll be given silver, and then the third you'll be given a bronze. Yeah, so silver is a precious metal which does not rust easily. Silver is mostly used to make jewelries and cutleries. So cutleries, knives, spoons, you know them. When you go to your kitchen, there are a set of cutleries. And then our parents also have, jewelry boxes. And apart from gold, yes, you will find some silver jewelries as well in there. So as part of our lesson, we are to look at some uses of mixtures in our everyday life. And I believe this topic you have treated it in grade 4 and 5. What are mixtures? What is a mixture? So in grade 4 or 5, we established that mixtures are substances that are formed when two or more items are combined. When two or more items or substances are combined. So we have some types of mixtures. We have the solid-solid mixture, which is formed by adding two solid substances. That's a solid-solid. Gari and granite is a good example. And then we have the solid-liquid mixture, which is formed by combining solid and liquid substances. Example, cornflakes and milk. And then the final one, liquid-liquid mixture, which is formed by combining two liquid substances. Example, oil and water. We have other mixtures, but the syllabus limits us to these three basic mixtures. So as you advance, you go forward, you will go and meet other mixtures. You will meet other mixtures as well, like gas and other types. In this lesson, we will look at how we use mixtures in our everyday life. To begin with, every one of us has performed a mixture in one way or the other before at home. If you haven't done any mixture before in your life, then I think you can use this opportunity to do a mixture of gari, sugar, granules, needle, and water. And if you're able to use the right amount of the substances that are involved to prepare these soakings very well, then I must say that you will enjoy this lesson, because at the end, we should be able to use mixtures in our everyday lives, and how to join the right amount of substances. Because if you don't use the right amount of substance, you will not get the desired mixture you wanted or you want. For example, if you are making a salad, you should get the right amount of ingredients that will help you to get the desired salad you wanted. You are preparing groundnut soup. You should be able to use the right amount of substances that are involved in preparing groundnut soup to give you a good taste. So on Wednesday, God willing, we will actually look at some of these things. So I would like you to make time with me on Wednesday. Let's delve into this topic very well, so that at the end you should be able to prepare your own mixtures at home and prepare it well. Thank you and stay safe. I'm out. But before that, there is an assignment on the next slide. Kindly do it and then forward it to me for assessment. I wish you all the best. Bye.